Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we have some items from a mail call, and we have a contest, actually a giveaway to announce.
No contest. So yesterday, Henry came back from the post office, and he says, I've got an Amazon package. And I'm like, I don't think I ordered anything else. Could I have missed something? And then I looked at the address, and I said, no, that's not the way it would be addressed if I ordered it. And so we opened it up.
This is a big surprise.
It was cool. It was way cool. These are seed trays. But they're not just any seed trays. Back, I don't know, this past spring maybe? We were watching Steve at Digwell Greenfingers in the UK. Gesundheit. And he was doing some seed starting. This looks pretty ordinary. It's a bunch of seed starting spots.
Yeah,
But
we could actually open them up.
yeah, what you can't see is that
It's taped up beyond all belief.
it's really well taped up. Of course, I don't have anything to cut that with. Never mind. It opened.
You know, that's one way to make things open up.
Yeah, right. It's kind of like, as soon as someone goes to get another tool. Now, there are 10 trays. There are 10 sheets of these things here. But what's cool is each sheet actually breaks into sections of 4 things like this. So when I'm planting, if I only want 4 of a specific plant, I can just label this one set of 4. We have our giant ones too from House Tools that are commercial grade. And those are used for certain plants that don't require a lot of root mass. But for certain things that you want to be able to keep in their pot for a longer period of time, this will be perfect because it's got a much larger cell. It's going to be a real game changer for us, I think. So,
Thanks, Steve. This is
Yeah.
really, really unexpected.
It was really cool to get that in the mail. And I've spent a lot of time going through various companies' trays and selections, and there's some that have individual little pots, and and we just never wanted to get into that. That is really good for people who are doing sales, where they actually just want to be able to take individual pots out and sell them, like at a farmer's market or something.
The other thing I picked up when I went to the post office was we got this nice package that we've been pretty much expecting, just we weren't expecting it quite this fast.
Right.
This came from the Citystead. Now, if you haven't watched Josh over at the Citystead, you really need to take a look at what he's doing as well. There's links in the show notes both to Digwell Greenfingers and to the Citystead, so it makes it easy for you to find them. So what we have here is we have some garlic seed. This is going to be awesome because we have,
Well, it's not seed; it's actually cloves.
well, they actually call it seed.
I know, but
bizarrely
sometimes
enough.
seed is one of those things that has kind of
Yeah.
vague meanings in the English language.
Well, for us, we actually do grow some things to seed, including some garlic sometimes, chives sometimes. So when we think of garlic seed, we think of little
Seed.
bitty tiny things.
Seeds. This is California early.
That's a soft neck garlic.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one, I can't pronounce the name. I won't even try. This is a turban garlic from.
Myskidge is what I would say. It's a hard neck.
It's from Turkmenistan.
Yeah. And then there's a package marked miscellaneous.
So we'll find out what kind of garlic miscellaneous is.
Right. And what's been funny is it's been sitting on the table near where I've been using my computer while I was writing out Christmas cards and everything else this week. And I'd be sitting there and I'm going, because I can smell it.
Smells great.
It smells really good. It smells really good.
So what we're going to be doing with this is we're going to be planting all of this up, I think.
Right. I have a
And-
section of the garden that I ripped up. You helped me with it earlier this
This fall.
winter,
Yep.
fall, whatever it was.
The garlic bed that we've had set up for a long time is kind of a perennial bed to have garlic in.
But I wanted
Needs
to replant
badly.
it.
Yeah, we've been planning to do it for a couple of years.
And every time we've tried, there's something that's gone wrong. And I've managed to clear out pieces of it, but I've never managed to clear the whole thing. My goal this winter was to get the entire thing cleared out before the garlic started sprouting from the spring and get it planted in a different location. So this will go into the new bed that we've got set up.
We'll be shooting some episodes of what we're doing here on specifically the garlic, both the elephant garlic and these 2 plus whatever the number of miscellaneous garlics are. And we'll bring you along on that so you can see how that's going.
Right. We're going to do a giveaway.
We are.
We are.
You may remember that a few episodes ago, I did a review of super clean products.
Mm-hmm.
I was pretty surprised at how well the cleaners that are really appropriate for cleaning an oven or engine grease or things like that, I was surprised how well they worked. So what we're going to do is as a result of that review, Super Clean has allowed us to do a giveaway for a complete package of all the chemicals and also the absorbent in a I think a half gallon or
You know, the
something
kind you
like that.
stick on your garage floor when you spill oil or grease on it.
So there's 5 products in the kit. I'll put the list of everything in the show notes. Now, the only restriction is that giveaway can only happen within the 48 contiguous United States, or the lower 48.
Right.
Super Clean will send it directly to you. So the way that you're going to enter this particular piece of our giveaway is put a comment on this video and say just super clean. 2 words, super clean. That will enter you into that portion of the giveaway.
Right.
And then we're going to do something because we don't think it's fair to have a restriction to only the lower 48. We're going to do another piece of the giveaway.
Right, we're going to do a $25 Amazon gift card, which of course we can send anywhere in the United States, overseas, anywhere. It doesn't make any difference. That way the people can use it no matter where they are, as long as they're willing to deal with Amazon. And most of us have lots of those funny smiley boxes on our houses right now.
Today's the 17th of December.
Right.
We're going to leave this open until the 23rd of December at 5 p.m. Pacific time.
Okay.
At that point, we're going to cut off all entries and we'll publish a video that shows who we choose the next day. Now, let's see, the next day, if today's the 17th and we leave it open until the 23rd, we'll be showing this on the 24th.
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve.
So it'll be a Christmas present to whoever wins it.
Yeah, so don't forget to make your comment on this video. This is the only video that we're going to be selecting from.
Right.
So it has to be on this video.
Right, so if you want into the super clean thingy, you just write super clean, 2 words, in your post on this one. If you're interested in the Amazon gift card, just put in the word Amazon. You can, if you want to say something else too, obviously you can. But what we're going to do is we'll have the program actually sort for those particular words. So we have nothing to do with choosing anything. The machine does it for us.
And it's possible that somebody from the U.S. will win both giveaways. It's possible somebody from someplace else in the world and the U.S. could win. There's a small possibility that a single person could win both, and if that happens, that's cool for them. Yeah, what about Rob?
You forgot something.
Why don't you talk about Rob?
Well, Henry told me he got something in his email this morning. He got a...
From Rob. Now, Rob from Essayons Family Garden and Steve from Digwell Greenfingers and we participated in Shed Wars, the very first Shed Wars. Had a grand time participating. We weren't in it to win anything. We were really in it with Rob because we liked his philosophy, which was do what you can. If you grow a ton of stuff, cool. And if you don't, cool, but try. And that's really what Irene and I have been about when it comes to gardening and pretty much everything else on our homestead is
Right.
give it a try.
Yeah, something's always better than nothing.
So thank you very much for the card, Rob. I'll also put a link in the show notes for Essayons Family Garden. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our mail call. 2 great things that we didn't expect. Well, one we did expect, but didn't expect it quite yet. And the other one came as a complete surprise.
Yep, surprises like that are the kind you want.
2020's been full of plenty of surprises, and I just use the word surprise loosely.
Yeah, right.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.
And don't forget to enter.
Twice if you want.
Mm-hmm.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye.